Hey there, and welcome back to your meditation journey presented by Mindfulisms. We're really happy you're here. This video is part of our Meditation 101 course. It's a free course that breaks down all the fundamentals of meditation and also includes a 5-minute guided meditation practice for beginners. At Mindfulisms, we believe meditation should be free, and we're so grateful to all our subscribers in our community for helping us grow so quickly. If you want to help us on our mission to bring free meditation tools and the benefits of mindful living to everyone, then please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's talk about meditation posture and other tips that will help you start meditating. The mystery of meditation is its simplicity. As a physical practice, meditation is pretty simple. You sit down, you breathe, and you don't think about anything. But if you've ever meditated before, then you know how difficult that last part can actually be. That's why focusing on the breath is so vital when we meditate. The breath is our anchor and provides an ever-present action for our brains to pay attention to. By using the right posture technique when we meditate, it allows the breath to flow freely and grounds us in the moment. Many guided meditations will tell you to relax while also instructing you to sit with an upright posture. If you're not used to sitting or standing up straight, this can feel counterintuitive and even painful. Remember, the goal of meditation is to free our minds of the burden of thought. Sitting uncomfortably will result in your nerve receptors overloading your brain with signals. You should always sit comfortably. If that means your back hunches over, simply do your best to straighten up or sit in a chair with a back, but do not force your position into a state of pain. Many people meditate in a traditional chair. Others may sit cross-legged or lay down. If you sit cross-legged, try using a pillow under your tailbone. This will prop your body upright and tilt your abs and hips in a position that can sustain a straight back. To maintain relaxation while still sitting upright, always let your shoulders fall away from your ears. Push your chest cavity outwards and let your shoulder blades melt together in the middle of your back. This will help you maintain a straight posture. But remember, the most important thing about meditating is being in the moment. Don't force your body into any positions that are uncomfortable or go against the natural movements of your body. A certain aspect of meditation is releasing yourself to how everything is in that particular moment. If you lean over or realize that you've let your posture go, do not worry. This is normal and natural. Most importantly, do not judge yourself. And remember that you will continue to grow, both in mindfulness and in posture. We hope this video was helpful, and we're so happy to be with you on your meditation journey. Remember, at Mindfulisms, we believe meditation should be free. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you'll have access to our entire library of free guided meditations, sleep soundtracks, and workflow and focus tools so that you can keep bringing the benefits of meditation into your life. Then continue this Meditation 101 course to learn more about mindfulness practice, or if you're ready to start meditating, then check out one of our many guided meditations. We're so happy that you're on this path of self-discovery and that we have the privilege of meditating with you. Thanks for watching.